Happy New Year everyone, welcome to Ebitimi TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you this really quick and easy lunch idea. Yeah, you need just 3 ingredients to make this super delicious lunch. To make this, we'll use a ball of onion and we'll not use all of it. And then we'll use some sausages and of course our hot dog rolls. I start by boiling my sausages and then I proceed to slice up my onions in ring-like form. And then I put a skillet on the stove top. This skillet is a cast iron one and it has these grooves which gives the sausages and onions this effect like you've grilled it over charcoal. So it has this charred look and I really like it. I think it adds another kind of flavor to this meal. Then we put the onion, after we boil the sausages, we put the onion and the sausages in the skillet and we get cooking. We'll put it on the stove top and let it cook for a bit. Turning it from side to side to ensure that it cooks evenly. On those days when you do not know what to pack for your kids for lunch or for yourself for work, this is one meal you can easily rustle up and you're good to go, and it's super delicious. I never knew grilled onions would taste so good. Usually in Nigeria what I'm used to is having raw onion with suya, but coming to Australia I discovered grilled onion. Because usually when barbecues are being served, you see sausages go together with onions, and I came to really love it, and I know you will love it too if you just give it a try. As you must have seen from the video, I glazed the skillet with some oil so that it doesn't really stick. The sausages and the onions would glide easily in the skillet. So that's another thing you need to do. You either use vegetable oil or you use the spray oil. It all works well. See how good it's looking already. Wow, this is your chance to have one. You can go ahead and have one. You'll notice when the onions becomes translucent, that's when you know it's ready. You can pair this meal with your tomato sauce or barbecue sauce depending on which one you prefer. It's interesting how children can be very different. My son does not like ketchup or tomato sauce of any kind. In fact, the smell irritates him, so he likes his hot dog dry, which is weird. And my daughter, oh my gosh, she cannot do without her tomato sauce. So it depends on what you like. Whichever one you prefer, everything really works well together. Because of the onions, you wouldn't really notice that it's even dry, to be honest. Yeah, you enjoy it nonetheless. At this point, it's time to assemble. So we'll cut the hot dog roll in the middle to create room for the sausage and the onions. So what I normally do is I start with the onions. I put some onions in and then the sausage, and then for the person who loves tomato sauce, I just drizzle a bit of tomato sauce and it's ready, guys. It's ready. It's that simple and it's very delicious. If you give this a go, please would you let me know? Thank you so much for everyone who has taken the time to watch and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. If you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. You'll be supporting me by doing that, and I would really be grateful if you do. If you subscribe, can you please drop me a comment and say I subscribe? Thank you very much for your time. See you later and have a really beautiful new year.
You